Today, we're explaining how to send emails from Microsoft Azure. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll cover a popular and straightforward method using Azure Logic Apps and an SMTP connector. 1. First, you'll need an Azure subscription. If you don't have one, sign up for a free trial. 2. Next, navigate to the Azure portal and create a new Logic app. Give it a descriptive name, select a resource group, and choose a location close to your users for better performance. 3. Now, we need to design our workflow. Logic apps use a visual designer. Start by adding a manually trigger a workflow trigger. This lets you initiate email sending when you want. 4. Then, we need to add an action. Search for SMTP and select the SMTP connector. You'll need to provide your SMTP server details. Important. For this, you'll typically need to use a third-party email provider like SendGrid, Mailgun, or even your own SMTP server if your organization allows it. You'll need to obtain the SMTP server hostname, port number, often 587 or 25, and authentication credentials, username and password, from your chosen email service provider. 5. Configure the SMTP connector. Input the server details you gathered in the previous step, and importantly, specify the sender email address. This needs to be a verified address in your email provider. The recipient email address is, the subject of your email, and the body of the email itself. Remember to select the correct authentication method, often plain or login. 6. Save your Logic app. 7. Now you can test your Logic app. Manually trigger the workflow, and within a short time, you should receive an email at the specified recipient address. 8. Finally, it's crucial to understand the limitations. Azure Logic apps have usage limits. If you're sending a massive number of emails, consider a dedicated email sending service integrated directly with Azure for better scalability and reliability. This could involve using Azure Functions with a more robust email sending library, offering features like bulk emailing and advanced analytics. Remember to always check your chosen email provider's documentation and policies concerning sending emails. This typically includes anti-spam compliance measures. Following these steps ensures you'll be able to leverage the power of Azure to send emails efficiently and effectively.